Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after it's already been published. This is a crucial skill because you'll often need to update content, fix issues, or add new features to your live site, and knowing how to do this properly ensures your changes go live smoothly. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App, click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This section is where all your site management happens, and it's your gateway to accessing both published and unpublished projects you're working on. From here, you can see all the websites you have on your Wix account displayed in front of you. Now, you need to look for the published website you wish to edit. These are typically easy to spot because they have a live indication beside them, clearly stating that this is a published website. This label helps you distinguish between sites that are already public and those that are still in draft mode. Take a moment to locate the specific site you want to work on. Once you've located your published website, simply click on the Edit Site button on the top right corner of your screen. This is the button that opens up your entire editing interface. Be aware that it might take a while to load, especially if your site has a lot of content or complex design elements. Just give it a moment and you'll be directed to the Wix Harmony editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you have full control over every aspect of your site's design and functionality. You can now edit your live website as you see fit. Make any adjustments you need, whether it's updating text, changing images, adding new pages, or tweaking the layout. The beauty of this system is that you're working on a draft version, so nothing changes on your live site until you decide to publish. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, simply click on Publish again. This action will overwrite the current published website with your new customization and design. Your changes will then be live for all your visitors to see, and your site will reflect all the updates you just made. And that's how you edit a Wix website after it's been published. The process is straightforward and gives you the flexibility to keep your site fresh and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.